In this video, I'll show you how to add a template. First, click Add Template. Here, enter the template name. Then, choose the message type. Usually, I select button with media. Prepare your advertisement text and content in advance. Then copy and paste them into the message field. Next, you can choose to add button. In the footer section, type, "Please contact us." For button 1, set the type to call button. In the title of button, enter, "Call us." Then, in the phone number field, fill in the phone number. When the customer clicks the Call Us button, the system will directly dial that number. Next is button 2. Set the button type to URL button. In the title, enter, "Interested, contact me." In the website URL, paste your generated WhatsApp link. This allows the customer to chat with you directly through WhatsApp inbox. Then click Add Button again to add the third button. Set the button type to URL button. Enter the title as website. And fill in your company website address in the website URL field. When the customer clicks button 3, they'll be redirected directly to your company's website. Next, click the Upload button. To upload the image you want to send. Finally, click the Create button. You'll see a message, "New template added." The new template will now appear in your template list.